RCAT, stock analysis and RCAT, stock prediction. Is it a buy? I've been in the markets for 4 years. I've spent thousands of dollars on courses, mentors, documented everything, done 35,000 videos again, showing you like thousands of predictions that have been called out. Like I'm talking 10, 20x stock moves for free on my YouTube channel. With RCAT, it's in a bullish, like it's a bullish lens for me. It's a bullish paradigm. Like generally speaking, it really began like back here. And you'll have like the proof even to show you like my previous long here that I called out. Very open for more longs like I was before. And to be quite frank with you, like those longs were not something that I capitalized on, because purely like look at this price action. This is just awful. Pretty much nothing in it for me. So I'm waiting to get these stupid money taken out, and then and only then get involved, as long as the price gives me the rules. Of course, if it does not, then I'm just not gonna be touching this. So obviously it's gonna be over a couple of days. I'm not in a rush whatsoever. Stay tuned, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.